Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New latest and beautiful ideas, different and latest designs, crochet pattern and crochet handbags. Crocheting handbags can be a fun and creative projects like style and designs for girls and women's fashion style. You can use crochet stitches and pattern to make unique design and style. And if you have any question and need tips and crocheting handbags, feel free to ask. So I hope you like it and latest new ideas like style crochet, more videos and more style designs, latest and beautiful ideas and new styles like different and beautiful, and feel free to customize your handbags with different stitch pattern, colors and styles to make it unique. Enjoy your crocheting, like different style and different ideas. And crocheting handbags allows for endless creative, and here are some and more ideas you can explore. Different and beautiful, create a classic tote bag with sturdy handles and wood handle style. You can use thick cotton yarn for crochet pattern and beautiful ideas. So I hope you like it. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end. Take care.